Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. First, you guys, look at this drawing. This is a drawing of Spider-Man. Spider-Man! Look at this. To make a Spider-Man that first of all, you need to understand Spider-Man things. For example, you will need 2B pencil. You can see and other things and colors and other things. Brush and let's start. A lot of people who make mistake before drawing not able to draw this circle which makes their sketch not correct. But if you guys are going to draw this Spider-Man like the famous character, you should start with the circle. Now we're going to make Spider-Man's hand, Spider-Man's shapes from this circle. The first thing to remember when making Spider-Man is do not panic because I don't want to make a squad Spider-Man. I have seen many people draw Spider-Man in YouTube, but if I tell you guys how you guys want to make a Spider-Man character into a comic character, you guys will have different ideas. But if you guys ask me which character I like to build in, I'll tell you guys that I like to build then in Spinner within the comic character. Well, if I tell you guys in my own way, look at Spider-Man, it just feel like a spider's web is dropped over him. Spider-Man, his body is wrapped in a spider web in the middle of his chest. Even when looking up at Spider-Man's eyes, it feels like his eyes are drawn like webs. While drawing Spider-Man, you should remember this thing that you should not imagine anything other than your drawing because imagine something else can distract you and ruin your drawing. I know how famous Spider-Man character is, but I will show you guys my own character which will be from my own story. Okay, first I'm starting with the red color pencil. You can see. Okay. I could have drawn this drawing in black and white if I wanted. But what I have experienced over the last 5 years is that people prefer to see it in color. So I am doing color. I have seen many artists drawing in YouTube, but one most important thing is that whenever you draw, it is very important that you have a grip on your hands. Okay, I decided to use a grey pencil color for Spider-Man web. Okay. Okay, impossible. I started to use a white pencil for Spider-Man eye. You can see. And let us start. 1 second. You can see. This is a Spider-Man. Okay, this Spider-Man drawing is done. This Spider-Man drawing even more realistic. I was super focused cars. Yes, you can see. Okay. Okay, well now it's time whose drawing is better. My Spider-Man. My Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay, so for now you guys give me permission. Then I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.